designing mugs on Printify is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can design mugs on Printify. So for that, you have to log into your account in Printify and you will be at the dashboard. Now in the dashboard, you simply have to go to the catalog and you have to select new arrivals, or it totally depends upon you. And here you have to type in mug. So I'm going to search for mugs and I'll see these options, these mugs that I can buy. So you say you have to select any of the mug that you want to customize, and after that you have to click on this start designing. Now here you wouldn't be able to design the mug. It totally depends upon you, however you like. There are different things. You can try the AI image generator. You can upload the image from Drive, Dropbox. You can also put the images from the Shutterstock. You can also put the image from your computer device. You can also hire a Fiverr professional to do that job for you. You can add the text as well. It totally depends upon you. Just be creative with it. Design something that a lot of people will buy. It totally depends upon your guts, your designing skills. After designing that, you need to leave it on your luck. So if the product is good, it should probably sell out. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can design mugs in Printify. Hope you guys find this video helpful.